Hello and welcome all. I'm sure there are many professional and skilled people who are just looking for a chance to be able to expand their professional horizons to other countries as well. So, in order to facilitate this, Germany has a special pathway called the Germany Opportunity Card or the Chancenkarte, where people go and look for a job in Germany. So today we'll be discussing the different aspects of Germany Opportunity Card, including the requirements and the process. So Savi, can you tell us a little bit about the Germany Opportunity Card?
Yes, Anushri. So the German Opportunity Card, it is a program that has been offered by the country Germany, and it offers special options for skilled as well as professional workers. So it is not like work visa where you have to have a job offer before entering the country. But in Germany Opportunity Card, you can enter the country and then you can look for the job as well. So you have two pathways for applying for the German Opportunity Card. So ma'am, can you please discuss with us about the pathways?
Yes, Germany Opportunity Card, it's an excellent opportunity for skilled professionals to travel to Germany and find a job. As you said, there is no job requirement. As the name suggests, it's a job search visa. So while applying for this visa, the applicants can travel to Germany and find a job based on their qualifications as well as their skill set. To qualify for this program, there are two options. The first one is that the applicants must have a qualification which is equivalent to a German qualification. So this is the first option. So you must have a degree, whether it's a bachelor's degree or a master's degree, which is equivalent to a German qualification. If you fulfill this requirement, then you may apply for Germany Opportunity Card.
So, ma'am, as you said that they need a degree which is recognized in Germany, fully recognized in Germany. But I'm sure there would also be candidates who are not able to meet the criteria for this card because they don't have a degree which is fully recognized in Germany. So, is there any way that they also can qualify?
Yes, of course. There is another pathway under which the applicants may qualify. As you said, that if the applicant does not have a qualification which is a full equivalence of a German qualification, then the second pathway is under point-based system. To qualify under this pathway, the applicants need to have a qualification which is partially recognized in Germany. For this, they need to have their ZAP, that is a qualification assessment. Along with having this qualification, it is mandatory to meet the language requirement. Now, language requirement is not mandatory in the first pathway where they have got a full equivalence of qualification. So the second pathway requires you to have a partial qualification in Germany, meet the language requirements, which is German language at A1 and English language at B2, either of these two, German A1 or English B2, as well as score 6 points for various attributes. Now the applicants may score points for their age, for their work experience, and if they have their language ability higher than the basic required. So let's say that the English language requirement is B2, which the applicant fulfills, but the applicant has got higher language ability than B2, then the applicants get scores for that. Then you may get scores for your qualification in list of shortage occupations. So there are many attributes under which the applicants may qualify for 6 points. Along with having mandatory language skills, they may be eligible under the second category.
Okay, ma'am. So now that we have discussed the specific requirements, what are the visa-related requirements that an applicant must be aware of?
Okay, so once the applicants, they have checked that they meet the requirements, whether it be under the first pathway, that is having a full qualification equivalence with the German qualification, or the second pathway under point-based system, then the applicants also need to fulfill certain other requirements, like one of the requirement is to have enough funds for your stay in Germany. As this visa is a job search visa, you won't be having a job offer when you travel to Germany, so the case officer who would assess your application needs to be satisfied that you have the required cost of living. Now this could be in the form of a blocked account, or if you have got sponsorship in Germany, like you have any relative who is a German resident and he takes your responsibility, so that would work. Then having health requirement is another thing which the applicants must have. The applicants must also provide proof of the accommodation for the first few months of their stay in Germany. So these are some of the basic visa documentation which the applicants must prepare.
So, ma'am, so as you said, that now they know which pathway they qualify for, and they are able to meet the other requirements as well. So, what does the application process look like for the, let's say, the Chancenkarte?
So the application process would be something like, first is the applicants need to compile all the documentation. Now the documentation would be evidence of all the things we have talked about, like that your qualification is equivalent to a qualification level in Germany. So you need to have evidence of that. So the applicants may go through the database of NABIN to see if they have got this, and they need to attach the screenshot of those things. The second thing we talked about was blocked account. The applicants need to have a blocked account. The requirement is of having euros 1091 for every month. So as this visa would initially be for 12 months, so you need to have equivalent of 13,000 euros as a proof of your cost of living. You need to attach the blocked account statement showing this amount, or a letter of support. The third thing is regarding the accommodation. So accommodation would be a letter from some friend who may be a German resident, or you may have booked some Airbnb or some hotel where you would be staying. The next we talked was about the health insurance. Now this is mandatory. If you do not attach the health insurance, so there are chances your application could be refused. So the applicants must attach health insurance from an acceptable provider. So once the applicants, they have compiled all these documents, they need to fill online application form and book an appointment and appear for the interview for the process to be complete.
Okay, so now that we have covered all the process and requirements that is needed for the German Opportunity Card, the candidates must refer to the list of shortage occupations that comes under the Make It in Germany website, where they can look for roles that are in high demand in Germany. Roles like engineering, IT specialist, then you can also go for scientist, teaching, medical profession, and the list goes on. So if the candidates have skills, or they have this professional experience under these fields, then there are higher chances that they can get a high relevant job when they travel to Germany as well.
Yes, hopefully this video about the requirements and the application process of Germany Opportunity Card could be useful to you, and this is a good opportunity for people who have the required skills and need a chance to be able to expand their professional horizons towards Germany. If you feel like you need more information regarding this or need professional guidance, you can contact West Highland Immigration. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.